of course, to being the 7th day since the announcement of the presidential winner. To file their challenging against Ruto's win, Makueni Senator-elect, that is Dan Maanzo, one of the lawyers in the legal team, stated and confirmed that the case had officially been filed electronically hours before Odinga led a number of lawyers at the Supreme Court to file the physical petition. Kind Stefano starts our coverage this lovely evening.
Lawyers representing Azimio la Umoja wa Kenya presidential candidate Raila Odinga and his running mate Martha Karua have filed the petition challenging William Ruto's win online. According to Makueni Senator-elect Dan Maanzo, who is one of the lawyers, the legal team has also served the parties involved in the case online before the 2 p.m. deadline. Raila Odinga and Martha Karua, however, delivered the hard copy to Milimani Law Court, where 7 judges of the Supreme Court will be sitting.
A short while ago, we successfully filed our presidential election petition at the Supreme Court of Kenya. The action we have taken is perfectly in line with the stipulations of our Constitution on resolving electoral disputes. It affirms our deep belief in constitutionalism, the rule of law, and a peaceful resolution of disputes, including high-stakes ones, like the presidential election.
According to the sources private to the affidavit being compiled by the Raila's team, he intends to use 4 main grounds in the petition: the discrepancies in numbers in announced presidential results in Ruto's strongholds of Mount Kenya and the Rift Valley, manipulation of Forms 34A that led to the alleged posting of fake forms on the IEBC portal, failure to account for spoiled votes, and the decision by the IEBC chair Wafula Chebukati to run the affairs without involving his colleagues. Raila has engaged a team of top lawyers who are scheduled to file the petition ahead of today's 2 p.m. deadline. It is expected that the Electoral Commission, its chairman Wafula Chebukati, President-elect William Ruto and his running mate Rigathi Gachagua will be among those listed as respondents. Over the weekend, lawyers representing all 4 camps were holed up in separate closed-door meetings to gather evidence, plan arguments and strategize on how to successfully prosecute or defend their respective positions.
This is a do-or-die battle for the corruption cartels who have everything to lose should the forces of democracy take over. The corruption cartels are prepared to compromise electoral systems, bribe electoral officials, make security systems look other way, or even kill in order to find their way to power and their ill-gotten wealth and continue stealing from the public. We believe this is what happened in this election. For the sake of Kenya's future, the corruption network must not only be stopped, it must also be crushed.
The Supreme Court has 14 days starting today to hear and determine the case. It has at least 2 options: declare the election null and void and order a rerun, or uphold the results. However, these are not the only options available to the court, as its verdict will depend on the prayers made